Welcome. Today, we'll focus on creating a Christmas marketing product in the form of a short video that is quick to make and visually appealing. Begin by navigating to the project settings, adjusting the aspect ratio to 9:16, and keeping the frame rate set to 30. Next, go to the Stock Media section and open the library. Scroll down to the Christmas category, where you'll find a variety of Christmas resources. Select one and drag it into your project. Right-click and choose Crop and Zoom. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 to adjust the fit, then apply the changes. Move the playhead to 1 minute and 20 seconds. Then navigate to the Stickers section and search for Christmas tree. Drag the sticker into the timeline and resize it to fit accordingly. Click, navigate to the animation section, apply the zoom in animation, and then preview it. Next, I went to the text title section under the title templates, scrolled down to the Christmas category, and dragged a Christmas text template into the timeline. I then clicked and go to video, adjusted it, and positioned it towards the bottom as demonstrated. So I preview. I then return to drag down another fine title template and click to edit it in advanced mode. I then pasted my text and selected the nice preset as shown. I then added new text, pasted my text, select another appealing text preset, and applied it as shown. So I preview. Next, highlight everything, right-click to copy, then click on the first track and paste it next to the original. After that, go back to the stock media, navigate to the Christmas section, press and hold the Alt key while dragging another Christmas video into the timeline to replace the current one. Next, I went to the sticker section, searched for a Christmas hat, and dragged the sticker into the timeline while holding the Alt key to replace the Christmas tree sticker below. Afterward, I copied the hat text, went to the text title section above, clicked to advance, and pasted the hat text to replace the tree as shown. So I preview. Once again, I highlighted everything, right-clicked to copy, and pasted it next to the original. Then, I updated the Christmas video background and stickers by dragging and holding the Alt key to replace the ones on the timeline, and modified the text to match the product as shown. So I preview. Finally, I went to the transitions section, dragged down the push-up transition, reduced its duration to 20, and clicked to apply it to all. Afterward, I previewed it as shown. Thanks for watching, and have a great new week.